My name is Tina Arora. I'm from Delhi. We're an interior designing company called Casa Divino, based out of New Delhi. And we've been in this line for the last 10 years. And we're trying to step into the hospitality sector, and this is our introduction to that. We're catering to the residential sector. We've done a lot of commercial and hospitality, as in cafes and restaurants, in the northern side of India. So we are trying to capture the south market as well. And we actually are trying to be a one-stop shop for our hospitality needs. Whereas we have a lot of divisions that we cater to, as in kitchen and our merchandise section, which we have a big manufacturing units. We have furnishings and fabrics and lighting. So we are trying to cater to all of hospitality needs in one place. We've worked with Mr. Serene in Delhi. As we've worked with a lot of architects. We've done some cafes in Delhi, which is like parikramas, and we've worked with a lot of Hostik Academy residences. We've done a lot of farmhouses over there. So that is basically where we've been, our niche has been. So yeah. I think now it demands that we enter a mid-range to, a more cater to all the kind of hotels and all the kind of classes of hotels, because mid-range is our calling now. I mean, that is something that India needs, and we have a lot of tier 1, but we need to concentrate on them and develop them as well, because they are our hubs now of manufacturing, as our Prime Minister is trying to promote all of them. So I think we need to concentrate on these hubs as well and promote them. Make in India. Make in India is something we all should follow, and we all should be very proud. I'm proud to be an Indian and proud to have someone like Narendra Modi. Following him is something that I try and do. Yes. I really have. I think it's been more than what I've expected to meet and interact and learn from some of the best in our industry. And I'm so young, and I feel very honored to have the privilege to talk and interact with someone who's had experience of 30 years in architects, and listen to someone like Ms. Sonali and Mr. Messi inside, and to learn from the experiences. It's been an experience of a lifetime for me. And this is my first time attending, and I don't think I can stop after this experience attending. Yes. The only thing I can say is that anyone who wants to start, anyone who's looking to get a decade of experience in 2 days, should definitely come to ID and have an experience. And it's been a privilege. Thank you so much.